Critical operations are becoming more interconnected across OT, IT, and cloud, accelerating innovation, but also increasing risk at a time when cyber attacks are already skyrocketing. Xage blocks cyber attacks and gives you control of every asset, every identity, every connection, and every interaction, from headquarters to branch offices to remote sites across every layer of OT, IT, DMZ, and the cloud. We achieve this via the Xage Fabric platform, a highly available, highly resilient cybersecurity mesh that overlays your existing assets, both legacy and modern, to secure and streamline your operations with no agents, no clients, no VPNs, and no holes in your firewall. Here's a quick demo of how it works. With Xage, every user and machine has an identity, including modern and legacy OT and IT assets. You can create granular identity-based policies to control all interactions, from user to machine, user to application, application to machine, and machine to machine. This enables a zero-trust least privileged approach to protecting your critical assets. For example, here we've created a policy allowing these two technicians to access SIMATIC PLCs. We can also limit the access methods they can use on the PLCs, set a requirement for one-time passcodes, and set time limitations on the access privileges. All of their activity is logged and recorded for later auditing as needed. Xage is the only platform that delivers identity-based access management with granular control, all the way down to the individual operational technology assets, with no agents or clients required. This user-to-device and user-to-application control blocks cyber attacks from using stolen valid credentials to cause excess damage during an attack, since each credential has the least privileges necessary to do its job. Every credential is rotated regularly on a scheduled or per-session basis to assure no credential can be stolen or misused. Machine-to-machine and app-to-machine control proactively blocks the spread of malware, so ransomware and other malicious software can't spread. By default, many assets will reach out to other assets on the same network in ways that are not necessary for operations, and can be abused by attackers in living-off-the-land attacks. Xage prevents machine-to-machine communication by default and provides granular control to allow this behavior in the limited ways that are necessary, in a way that's easier to manage and more secure than the standard VLAN and firewall approaches, or other legacy practices. Xage policies are created centrally in our simple browser-based UI and are then distributed to every site through the Xage Fabric, so they're still enforced even if a remote site loses network connectivity. Access policies are easy to request and create on demand. Technicians who log in locally or remotely can only access or even see the devices they're authorized on. You control which protocols they can use to interact and how long they have access for. You can even require multi-factor authentication at every layer, right down to the very edge. With Xage, every session, interaction, and access event, local or remote, is logged for auditing purposes. Our multi-user session collaboration enables technicians across the globe to work together live with full recording, assuring no risky action goes unseen. You get granular access control of every asset, from edge to core to cloud, through a single, simple interface. Xage is the first and only cyber physical systems protection platform that delivers zero trust for the real world. Reach out today to learn more and schedule a customized demo for your team.